Namaste and welcome to Let's Talk Tomorrow.
So guys, today's topic is plan, path and destination. If you guys are confused that you're not in right track and you won't reach your final goal, then this podcast is for you.
Well, this podcast is for anyone and everyone who feels stuck, who has done like 10th and 12th but don't know where to go, what plan to choose, what path to choose. So through our life stories, our struggles, what our future holds, what are our future plans, I hope through our stories and our discussions, it helps you choose your path and the destination, of course.
Yeah.
So, starting off with the plan section, I mean, we have divided this podcast into plan, path, and destination. So, starting off with the plan. So, let's say if there is someone who has just done their graduation from 10th or 12th and they don't know what their future holds, what to choose, what to major, and what would you suggest to them? Because you have a really good history with that.
A really good one.
With planning itself and how your life changed. So let's see through your life story if we can learn about the plan section of the podcast.
Okay, so narrating my story, let's go a little backwards in time, not exactly 10th and 12th. Let's start from 7th, not even 9th. Way back. So, well, till 7th I was a carefree guy. कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता खेलना कूदना कॉलेज जाना मतलब I mean go to school study whatever is going on just do it get marks
Everyone was like that in 7th.
exactly like
Probably till 10th as well.
like most people even till 12th even till now you can't even say depends on the person.
We would have some listeners who are still like मेरे को क्या करना
So yeah, true. No offense to those guys though. So in 7th, well, everything was fine. As he said that no one knows, but there was a girl. It was probably my project on time of I guess first semester. It was first semester and second semester right that time. So we had projects also. So we were doing some I don't know some super project. So during that time I was as I said a carefree guy. That girl pointed out to me, how are you so carefree? How like you're not goal oriented, you don't think about anything, you are too casual. I was like, what's the point stressing out the thing? Just be casual, live life, whatever will happen will happen. That was my attitude. 7th, 8th, I guess even in 9th. But at the end of 9th, I realized this that a lot of people are like, I have to be this, I have to be that. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And I had no idea of what I'm gonna do. Like literally no idea. Like as we are kids, we say that we're going to be doctors, engineers, that, this, vagera, vagera. So that always keeps going in our mind, but we are actually not sure. We're just kids.
Like, if some teacher asks you when you're in 6th and 7th, like, what do you want to become?
Pilot.
You go the pilot, software engineer.
Exactly.
But when the time comes of actually doing it, you know what the real deal is. You have to give your 110%, to become a major in your
Exactly.
stream.
That was my journey till 12th. Any comments?
Well, that was so that basically the point behind the story was that you didn't have a plan until 12.
No.
Neither do you have now.
No.
So basically, I'll continue his story from short after 12th. He took a 1-year gap in order to prepare for CET and JEE.
Yep.
He gave CET and JEE, got marks, but the college was asking, how much the college asked.
Fortune.
Garbage. And then he came to BCA, but he was going to some other college वहाँ पे position fill हो चुका था. So we joined Jain University both together, and I'll tell you my plan also. I mean my part of the story also, then you'll realize how we met. And then he took IoT, thinking it would have been good, but all of a sudden physics came out of nowhere.
Worst decision of my life.
Worst decision of your life. He wanted to become IoT developer, couldn't because he doesn't know shit about it. And now we both are doing UI UX designing and mobile applications development. So basically the reason behind basically the model behind that story was that even if you're in 10th, 12th, or even if you're pursuing your degree right now, you still have time. That fortune of a future is about a year away. 6 months to a year away. Just work hard for that or plan for that 6 months or 1 year that you're going to do and you'll be there. Now coming to the path. You have planned. देखो अगर you have to become this कि अगर तुम IT field में हो तो you become a Python developer, whatever you want to become, you have a plan. But what path are you going to choose? So me, I had a plan. Of course, not the plan that I have right now. If you ask me, in school, I had a plan of becoming a web application developer because I was fascinated with HTML and CSS. Then, all of a sudden, I realized that web development has no future with the introduction of Wix and what is that?
WordPress.
That's shit. I don't know why people use WordPress and Wix and call themselves a web
They're lazy.
developer. No, first of all, if you're doing from Wix and WordPress, sahi hai. Don't call yourself a web developer. No, you're not a web developer. You're a even basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, Django, Python, whatever you're doing, and then call yourself a web developer.
Exactly.
I don't. If you're a web developer who is doing web development on Wix and WordPress, please just don't call yourself a web developer. बहुत चिढ़ होती है यार मेरे को when people
इन्होंने हमारे लाइफ के लगा दी.
Yeah.
इतना मेहनत क्यों की?
these people they get templates, just add in pictures and content, and they're like, oh, web developer होना. हम यहाँ पे घिस के we have studied HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, then starting off for backend. मैं बताता हूँ Django, Python, and if you are Django developer, you know क्या होता है.
What's the pain in your?
And after finishing Django, you realize that Django is just the first step. You'll have to do models, you'll have to do CBBs, you'll have to do forms, and all of a sudden you realize no, it is no longer the trend. You'll have to do Node.js and Express.
Then you have REST API.
Exactly.
RESTful API.
So that was one of the biggest reasons for me quitting web development. I mean, we still do web development.
Not as a mainstream.
For we freelance as full stack web developers. And then I got into mobile applications development after finishing my 12th. Again, it was a domain that was related to design and development, so that was a free choice. And one of the best parts about it was Jain University, at the same time after 11th and 12th, they give you specializations in Bachelor's of Computer Applications. So luckily, unluckily for him, he got into IoT, and luckily for me, I got into mobile applications development. And now we are 4th semester in. We're doing our 5th semester right now, and I have just realized that mobile application मेरे बस का नहीं है. So I turned into the UI UX section, and now we both are doing UI UX.
Yeah.
So that was the plan, path, and destination. Of course, you will have your. I mean, once you have your plan and path, the destination will be right there.
So basic thing is you know the thing keeps changing. Like he wanted to be web developer. Then mobile application developer.
Mobile application now UI UX developer, and this is for sure I'm going to do UI UX
for some
development.
time at least.
No, not for some time, because I've started my internship.
Yeah.
Let's not take the name. I'm not sure if I can take the name of that company. There are a big list of rules and regulations that comes from there. So yeah, I'm doing my internship over there, and I wish I can continue. I hope I can continue at the same place as a UI UX designer. So basically, with these stories, we want to tell you कि अगर आपका destination change हो रहा है बार-बार, and you don't have a proper plan, and even if you're in your 6th semester or 5th semester, whatever you are, you still have. So yeah, talk to your friends, talk to your family, talk to your relative who is a UI UX designer or the domain that you're looking for. Get some suggestions from them on how to start, where to start, what to do. Do your research. So that is your destination and plan done. Main thing is path. Now when you're in your path, you have 2 paths that you can choose from. One would lead you to that destination, another one will lead you to that destination but with some loopholes in between. For example, loopholes would be friends who are, how do I explain this? Can you have a word for that particular thing? As in bad influence. Friends who have bad influence. Procrastination is one of the biggest loophole that you can find on this path. So if you can avoid your bad influence, like if you just stay as far as possible from these kind of bad influences. I don't think I should say this story. It'll just bring me down. And yeah, procrastination. Just don't procrastinate. If you have time, yes, you can utilize that time by chilling out and all this thing, but if you don't have time, just don't procrastinate at all and choose the right path. I guess you should know what the right path is. You should know if you're taking the right path or not.
Well, that's a suggestion to people who are going to the colleges or who are right now into college. Just you have that thing in your, inside you, to go into a right path or choose a wrong one. There's
But,
always a knock
yeah,
on your back of the
there's-
head, if you say.
There is always this peer pressure that you will have to do what your friend does, but
Yeah.
no, just find friend who comfort you, who will know what is wrong for you and what is right for you. Just don't choose people who are into, let's get real, who are into drugs, who are smoking alcohol and all this, and say it's cool, but no, it is going to fucking ruin your life, right?
Stay away from those friends, go watch Friends.
But the point है, तगड़ा point है, so कुछ नहीं. So in order to prove that from that certification you have learned something, build a project based on that. For example, you said about Python. If you're done with Python, build something with Python, either a GUI using Tkinter or something. Just apply Python on something, and so you'll have something to show with कि यार मैंने
Exactly. And if
ये
you're-
use करके ये बनाया हुआ
And
है.
if you're interested, go to my channel CodeBrains.
The link will be in the description.
Exactly. I've done few projects with proper guide and proper steps. Each and every step is covered, so you can just follow it. Or if you want to do something on your own, that's also fine.
Yeah.
But CodeBrains in the world.
Yes. So I guess that was it. In order to sum up the entire podcast, we would like to just summarize plan, path, and destination.
Yeah.
So go to last, decide a destination, plan accordingly, do your research accordingly, path, choose wisely, have a Jessica in your life. I'm telling you, it is very important. Don't go towards क्या उसका नाम शंकर and all these kind of people. They are not good for your life. Just
Yeah.
cut them out. Just cut the negative people out, and you will start to cheese changes, see changes. Sorry for that. अदल बदल जाते हैं bro. It's very good economy.
That's alright. Cheese
So-
can be taken as a good thing.
Yeah, there was another thing I wanted to say. I don't remember. You continue if you have something.
Well, not exactly. Of all the story and all the things that Rishabh said, I would just like to summarize this, that generally people think that if you have read something or if you have viewed something, you are done. But recently I have watched this podcast, or I guess a blog. In that they were saying that, say for example, Python itself, I have read the entire content. Fine, everything is.
So I never had this mindset of doing something. Then something I did that changed my life completely is maintaining a to-do list. Wake up in the morning, do your morning, whatever you're doing, just do get done with. Once you start your day, once you're finally starting your day, before you start off with anything, take up, have a proper book or just a notebook, mention to do, and just write the list of the things that you're going to do today. At the end of the day, once you're done with everything, just write in successful and maintain a streak, +1, +2, +3. I didn't bring my to-do book. I would have showed it on how you have to do.
I'll show you mine. No streak at all.
So yeah, I've had like streaks of 17, 18 days continuously.
Oh my God.
18 has been my last. Uske baad, it would have gone to 2021 if it would have been for this COVID vaccine. I got fever and then it went off. So yeah, maintain a to-do list and you will start seeing the changes. You will become so productive. You will be fascinated कि यार मैं ही हूँ ये. Is it someone else inside my body? So yeah, plan, path and destination, guys. Plan, path and destination. It's never too late. It's never too guilty. Don't feel guilty कि तुम यहाँ से यहाँ हो रहे हो. At the end, when you find your passion, it's all about finding your passion at the end of the day.
Exactly. If you feel guilty, think about it. That's the best example you can get.
इंजीनियरिंग नहीं हुआ, एक साल ड्रॉप किया, फिर नहीं हुआ, BCA में IoT डेवलपर बनना है, नहीं हुआ, एंड्रॉइड डेवलपर बनना है, नहीं हुआ, नहीं काम कर
हो रहा है,
Sorry,
उस पे काम चल रहा है,
sorry,
उस पे काम
sorry.
चल रहा है.
So yeah, there are a lot of even me, मतलब मेरा उतना vast diverse change नहीं है, but yeah, even I have a lot of changes.
True.
So yeah, plan, path and destination. And talking about that mindset,
Yeah.
few questions.
Okay.
Who is the fastest animal in the jungle?
Cheetah, I guess.
Who is the heaviest animal in the jungle?
Elephant.
Who is the tallest animal in the jungle?
Giraffe.
Right? These three people.
Yep.
When these three people are there, who is fastest, heaviest, tallest, why do we still call lion as the king of the jungle?
He rules over them.
No. It can be cheetah because it is the fastest. Cheetah
Yeah.
can have a go at it.
Mhm.
It can be elephant. It is the heaviest. It can crush lion at the same time.
Mhm.
Giraffe is the tallest one. It doesn't give a fuck about lion. Right? So why do we still have lion as the king of the jungle?
That's a
The
good
reason,
question.
the reason is mindset. You know why the reason is mindset?
Why?
Because when a lion sees an elephant, let's just take about elephant and lion for now. When the lion sees an elephant, it thinks about food.
Okay.
It doesn't think about कि वो मेरे से heavy है, वो मेरे ऊपर एक पाँव रखेगा मैं मर जाऊंगा. No, lion is like food. I have to survive. I have to survive, of course, for myself and for my pride, for my little kids or wife, whoever he has in the pride.
Okay.
But at the same time, elephant doesn't think कि I'm the strongest one. I can put one foot and it can go crush. It's like भागो.
Like that.
If you have भागो वाला mindset तब तो रहने दो.
सही बात.
And if you have the mindset कि even if the elephant is in front of you, you can still take it down. You know what I'm talking about. That's
Yeah.
the reason why lion is the king of the jungle, and that's the reason why you should have a mindset of a lion. It doesn't matter how cruel the world is, doesn't matter how weighed down you are, broken, fallen. I have come from a place where I was student. Let's not talk about that. I have to
Yeah,
bring
we
Jessica
do.
again. Even if you're broken, just there's always a chance to come up. Mindset, guys, mindset. So plan, path, destination, mindset. Don't procrastinate, and you'll be done with. And you still have time. Just go for it.
Exactly. Start doing stuff, you'll see changes.
Exactly.
Stating Three Idiots का dialogue, ये mind वाला formula याद कर लो बहुत काम आएगा.
It's all about the mindset. So yeah, thank you for listening or
Thank you.
watching. If you're watching it on YouTube, नीचे जाओ तुमको लिंक मिलेगा podcast का. अगर podcast पर सुन रहे हो तो
तो भी नीचे जाओ.
नीचे नहीं, थोड़ा ऊपर scroll करो. You'll find where the YouTube link is. It's just a highlights of this particular thing. But please, जाओ like कर दो. क्या ही है, घंटा बजा.
थोड़ा
So-
शरीक हो जाओ हमारे इस माहौल में. आपका भी भला हो, हमारा भी भला हो.
I hope that podcast would help you a lot. It was about the plan, path, and destination.
Yes.
Don't procrastinate. Have a good mindset. See you in the next one.
Bye bye.
Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Tomorrow. बोलना भी होता है.
अच्छा स्टार्ट कर देते क्या?
नहीं, like ऐसे ही start हो जाएगा, खत्म भी हो जाएगा. अगर ऐसा दिमाग में चलेगा ना, नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, हमको बोलने का अभी टाइम है, ऐसा नहीं होता. समझते नहीं होता. लखनऊ से हो क्या?
हेलो कोई है? हेलो? और to somewhere. Okay.
Namaste and welcome to Let's Talk Tomorrow.
बोलना क्या था?
Today's topic is how we went through where we are right now, what we are planning for right now. I hope that they are scared and anxious about their future and basically what your destination is. So कौन है? Spotify सारे ads करते हैं, ऊपर से यहाँ पे भी ad दे.
The topic is क्या था?
Plan, path, destination. Namaste.
Studying and everything was fine, but each and every time this question was there in my mind and back of my head that am I doing the right thing? I'm
ओह, ये भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, आपको भूल गया था.